The tape was gone. Gone. Hey Flower Garden, welcome back to my channel. It is Curly Gardener here, and this video is about the things I bought during my birthday month of September from ULTA. If you don't know, ULTA's beauty reward system is pretty great. During your birthday month, you get a birthday gift. You also get a $10 off coupon. I'm pretty sure last year, I feel like it was 10%, but this year mine was a $10, so maybe I just remembered incorrectly, but it's $10 or 10% off for one purchase or whatever. And then you also get 2 times the points on anything you buy during your birthday month. So that is great. And luckily enough for me, my birthday month is September, and during September, ULTA does their 21 days of beauty, and they also do their fall haul. So I had a lot of deals going on and extra points that I could rack up, because I also bought all of these things during a point multiplier. So some of the actual products had, you know, 3 times the points on Sunday Riley or whatever the specific brand was. I don't think they sell Sunday Riley, but that was the first thing that came to my head. But then I think the one I got was 5 times the points on all the products that you buy in your cart during your purchase. So that's the one I got, and I think they do still apply the 2 times the points for your birthday month. So I think it's a total of 7 times the points, not 10. They add, you know. Okay, so yeah, let me show you guys what I got, because I've been calculating this basket for months now, because there's a lot of products that I wanted, because they're going to help with not only my content, but just like my lifestyle and things that I already use and just I needed to re-up on. Let me show y'all this big box here, because when they dropped off the box, I said, what did y'all do to my box? Did y'all steal something out of, because the tape was gone when the box was dropped off. The bottom, y'all see how it's like that? That's how they dropped it off. And it was same thing on the top. It just wasn't sliced open, but it wasn't connected. The bottle, the middle of the box was just floating in the air. Let's get into this, because it's a lot of stuff, as you can see. Take out all the paper. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, so I did it during the multiplier, and it was also like, what? It was like 13 free gifts with a purchase of $80 or more. So here's the free gifts. We can go over. Ooh. I hope I didn't break nothing, because I think there is something plastic there. In no particular order, because 17 items is in this box, and a lot of them are heavy. First thing I got was the NYX Lift and Snatch brow tint pen in espresso, right? And if my hands are ashy, mind your business. Next, I picked up the Medicube Zero Pore Pads. This is a K-Beauty brand. It has AHA, BHAs, panthenol, allantoin, sodium hydrogen. I don't know what anything after panthenol is, but this is just going to help with the pores, skin texture, such and such. And I am running out of toner. Oh, I did buy that. Okay, let me do you next then. Next, I got the Medicube Deep Vita C Capsule Cream. It has vitamin water 50%, vitamin C derivatives, and niacinamide 5%. Yeah, this is going to be my my night cream. I've had this on my list for a year now. I usually buy my K-Beauty products from Style Korean, and then just when I was going to buy it, the administration in office and all the tariffs and stuff, so I said maybe that's not the best time to buy it, so I put a hold on that. And then I seen a lot of K-Beauty brands was coming to ULTA, and I said that is a very smart move. Thank you for that. Now I can buy the product and continue earning some points. And it comes with a the little spatula. Next up, we have the Naturium Glow Getter body oil. I haven't used the body oil before, but I have used the body washes. Like, do y'all see the condition of my boxes? Like, what were y'all doing with my package? Next thing I got is the NYX Buttermelt Highlighter in Butta in Black. Next, I got the Naturium Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Butter. Again, I've tried the body washes before, not the oil or the or any of their lotions or this body butter. Next, I got the Naturium Energizer Mandelic Acid Body Wash. This is, I really like this body wash. This is like my 4th one. This after the gym is really good, but it's mandelic acid. I don't know how you say that, but that is basically an AHA, so it's like an exfoliant, gentle exfoliation. And then this particular one has fermented sugarcane odor fighting system. So like I said, after the gym, look at this, y'all. Look at that. The top is in here broken. What were they doing with my box? I don't even think that's gonna work. Anywho, I got the Bioderm. Was it spilling? Wow. I got the Bioderma. Okay. I got the Bioderma. This is not in English. This is basically a cleansing oil for your face and body. I use it for my body, which is why I got the big size. This is the same concept as when you oil cleanse your face, like whether you have oily skin or you have on makeup. You oil cleanse, dry first, and then add a little bit of water, wash that off, then use your normal face wash. You do that same thing with your body. So use this first, then I go in with the Mandelic acid and just get her clean. I also picked up the GuruNanda Whitening Mouthwash. This is a dual mouthwash that comes, it has 2 chambers. One chamber is hydrogen peroxide. It has an oxyburst technology in the flavor Wild Mint. And then it also comes with baking soda and essential oils for fresher breath. It is pH balanced, such and such. I already have this. This is my 2nd one. I've been liking it, so I decided to pick it up again. Next, I got the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in the shade Gimme Space. This is a Ulta Beauty exclusive color. She came out with a new color. Y'all should have known I was gonna get it. And the last products is things that I've really been like, okay, you need to focus in, lock in, and figure out which items you really want, because I finally picked up some CÉCRED hair care products, right? I'm gonna start, should I talk about it now? Yeah, but I'm just really gonna like actually lock in and like see how much growth I can get down, just in general. Like, I do my regimens here and there, but like I'm lazy, so if I don't feel like doing it, I'm not going to do it. And then once I haven't done it a couple of times, it's like, oh snap, I haven't done it a couple of times, let me do it like this one time. So yeah, I just really want to lock in. So I'm gonna lock in with these products and a few more other things. Separate video to come, right? First thing I picked up was the CÉCRED Moisture Sealing Lotion. It's getting cold where I live. I can't do wash and goes 12 months out the year, so I got to figure out what to do with my hair now. So this is more so my protective style season, but I really want, I have like a hair calendar in my hair. It's not really working out so well since I want to record the looks for y'all and I haven't had a phone for a month, but it's okay. I'm gonna make do. But what I'm planning to do with my actual natural hair, if it's not in braids or under a wig, is try out some flexi rod and perm rod styles again, see how I can do that, or maybe some bantu knots. But yeah, that's my plan. I would like to still see some curl, but we're gonna get the curl a different way. So experiments to come. Next, I got the CÉCRED Reconstructing Treatment Mask. Yeah, I need another hair mask. I only have a moisture mask on me right now, and I usually keep a moisture mask and a protein like strengthening mask on me at hand at the same time. That one has like one more use left. So next is the CÉCRED Clarifying Shampoo and Scalp Scrub. Everybody likes this, so I want to try it out. Hold on. So yeah, everyone loves that. They love the feeling the little beads, so I want to see what that's about. And all of her like core collection has like, you know, her patent pending technology for the hair growth and, you know, the things we've heard all of it about CÉCRED. Next, from the new line she just dropped, the protective style line, I got the CÉCRED Hair and Scalp Balm. This seems to be basically like grease. But yeah, I got this because, like I said, I'm going to be doing like flexi rods and perm rods and stuff, and then also a few braided styles, and I keep my hair braided underneath wigs and stuff. So really using this on my scalp, and also to seal in my ends. It's basically like a balm to oil salve, so this can help with any ends that get out of line if I try flexi rod or perm rod set and stuff like that, and really just keep the hair locked in and moisturized. And last thing, of course, I picked up the CÉCRED Restoring Hair and Edge Drops. Duh. Yeah, so that's mainly going to be focused on, that is mainly going to be focused on my edges, of course, and I'm going to make sure I always put in my middle part. I love a middle part down. I always got a middle part in. I don't even have to do my middle part anymore. I can just go like that and the middle part's already there. So I don't want any hair losing from that area, because there's always like traction, or it's always just in that area. We're gonna make sure it stays full, right? Yeah, they knew not to send my CÉCRED products up in here bashed up and looking crazy, because that would have been an issue. But that is all the thing I spent money on. Let's quickly go through my freebies, and then that is the video. So yeah, I'm really excited to try the CÉCRED products, and then just get my hair really all on one accord. For the most part, it is on one accord, but like when I get lazy, that'd be the problem. So I don't want to get lazy. You know, I think this is a 13-piece free set that they sent me. First two things are, I got the Pixie Detox. I'm gonna show it rapid quickly. It's free stuff. The Pixie Detoxify Eye patches in cucumber and caffeine. I also have the Good Molecules pimple patches. I got the Eyelure 3/4 length lashes in number 13. Ulta Beauty, no, this is from Revlon. Oh, I can open it. The Revlon lip oil in Candy Hearts. It's their super lustrous glimmer lip oil. That's cute. I also got the Naturium niacinamide serum 12% plus zinc 2%. That's nice. This is a good size. This was just half an ounce. Yeah, that's good. For free? Yeah. I got the Mayo Pure Cleansing Oil. Mega Babe Spacebar Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. No, the e.l.f. Sun Touchable Whoa Glow Sun Protection and Makeup Primer Sunscreen 30 SPF. Got the Vichy Laboratories Normaderm BHA Exfoliating Serum. Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer in 35 SPF. NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee, a mini one. The Essence Lash Princess. I got the Snail Rescue Purifying Cleanser. I also got the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Lotion in Medium Glow. I have the La Roche-Posay Mela B3 Serum Dark Spot Correcting. And then last but not least, I have the, what is this, Tarte? No. I have the Unibrow Pencil Crayon. Oh, this is from Winky Lux. I have the Winky Lux Unibrow Pencil Crayon in Universal Shade. But yeah, their free gifts are always great, because you get clearly a lot of products, whether it's full size or half the size. But it's always great to travel with and just try out new things before you actually buy the full size. But yes, as you can see, that was a lot of stuff, and I want to get this video up for you guys today. So thank you guys for coming back and watching yet another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.